grade students from the enrichment class went all around Perry Hill to find geometric shapes. We didn't just find squares and circles. We found things like tiles and cans and all sorts of things. We hope you can learn something from this. It's a very enjoyable video. See you later.
Because it has 4 vertices, and it has 2 sets of parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that will go on and on forever. Vertices are points at which 2 lines meet. As you can see, these 2 lines touch at this vertex. It also has 2 obtuse angles and 2 acute, right here and right here.
Okay, well this is a triangle because it has 3 sides, 3 corners, and 3 angles. This is a acute angle, and this is a right angle. And this is another acute angle, and this is a right triangle because there's 1 right angle. And you know that because if you put up a piece of paper, the piece of paper would fit. And those are acute angles because they're smaller than 90 degrees.
Quadrangle, it's known as the rectangle. It has 2 sets of parallel sides, top and the bottom, and it has 2 sets of different sides. It has 2 long ones and 2 short ones. So this isn't a 3D shape, but you will be learning about 2D and 3D. So remember the rectangle.
Shapes such as a book, a cupboard, or this exit sign are rectangular prisms, which share the same attributes as a cube, such as 6 sides, 8 vertices, or 4 right angles on each side. But unlike a cube, they don't have equal sides on each side.
Hello. This can you see is a
Cylinder.
Because a cylinder is round on the bases and it goes around in the middle. That's why it's a cylinder. This is a trapezoid. It has 2 intersecting lines and it has parallels. Here. It is a polygon, so it has more than 3 sides, and it's a closed shape. I hope you have fun learning about more polygons rather than trapezoids. This shape is a triangle because it has 3 sides and 3 angles. All the angles are acute angles, and they are all 60 degrees. The whole triangle is 180 degrees, and this is an equilateral triangle. I hope you have fun learning about geometry. This is a rectangle because it has 2 sets of parallel lines. They're parallel because they never intersect or cross. This square is also parallel because if the lines keep going on, they will never touch. Each of these angles are right angles. They are 90 degrees. I hope you enjoy learning that today.
This shape is an oval because 2 sides are longer than the other 2 sides. The word oval comes from the Latin word ovis, which means egg. The U.S. chose this word because the oval is shaped like an egg.
This shape above is a cone. It shares similar qualities as a pyramid. It is 3-dimensional and it ends in a point. However, a cone does not have sides. Instead, it shares similar qualities of a circle or cylinder. Its sides are round. A cone also ends in a flat bottom. And, well, this is a cone. You'll be learning about this later in your unit with 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional shapes.
So this here is a trapezoid. The trapezoid goes from here all the way to here, and it is part of a ceiling above a door in Perry School. And it has only 1 set of parallel lines. It is up here and down here. And then there is one obtuse angle and one acute angle, and then another acute angle and then another obtuse angle. So there's two obtuse angles, which is bigger than a 90-degree angle, which is an even angle, just like that, as you see on the square. So, bye.
This mop is in the form of a rectangle. It is a quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, angles, and no curved edges. It has 2 pairs of parallel sides, and 1 pair is longer than the other pair. Parallel means that 2 opposite sides shall never touch. All this information means that this shape is a rectangle.